Today I'm going to show you how a reverse osmosis system works and how to change the water tank here. So here's the system. The tank, that's the boost pump in case your incoming water pressure is not high enough. Sometimes I use, sometimes I don't. The filter, two pre-filter, the red and yellow one. The green one are the RO membrane. The blue one after membrane filters. So here's the system. The water coming from the green line goes to the pump, here, past the pump, adding pressure, and then the green line come out from the pump, goes to the filter. Two red and yellow pre-filter before the RO membrane. The RO membrane separate the water with the pure one and the dirty one. Output from here pass through the pressure detector going to the tank. After the tank, if you need water, the tank come out from the same blue line, past that, and then coming into the system here, pass through the filter, and then come out to that blue line. That blue line goes to the 1x2. One comes to the sink faucet. The other one goes to the refrigerator. So the old one, because there's low pressure in the tank, the water cannot come out, so pretty much dead. Here's the old one that cannot hold any pressure at all. So if you can see here, and if I try to pump any air into it, just doesn't work. Feels like the blade inside is some kind of jamming or leaking. The tank come from manufacturing with PSI 6.57. Okay, so just put a little bit pressure first, 20 psi, and then put some water in, see is it. Sanitize with hydrogen peroxide. Sometimes I don't use the pump because in the city the water pressure is high enough, but if it's not from the city, you may have low water pressure, then you need to use the pump. I can use the pump, but just be careful not leak somewhere. Also, in the membrane, the water separate in two parts. One is the pure, going to the tank. The dirty one come out from the red. Usually, the RO system, the red is just disposed to drink, but here the red one comes back to the water supply, which is the hot water pipe, and then go back to downstairs the hot water tank. So it just reduced low waste of water. So next couple of days, just keep a close eye on all the connections, make sure it's no leaking. Yeah, should be good for now. Okay, so after like 3-4 hours of making water, the tank is almost full. So we can stop it and just see what pressure it is right now. 85. So 85, that's okay. So because the whole tank of water is waiting on the blade. See, so here's the water. Very good, high pressure. Alright, first tank of water almost empty, so I'm not going to use the first one because I have put some sanitizing there. So close it and make the second tank. See, right now it's almost empty.